good morning Year 1. I can't believe it's the end of the week already. It's Friday and today we are going to be learning about suffixes. Now we've done this already at school, so this will just be a reminder, and we're going to be looking at using the suffixes ing, ed, and est. Now I'd like you to have a think. Can you remember what a suffix is? I'll give you a clue. The word root word might help you. So a suffix is a group of letters that can be added onto the end of a root word to change its meaning slightly. So for an example, there's the word walk. That is the root word. And I could add the suffix ing, the suffix ing, onto the end of that root word, and it would become walking. So walk and walking have a slightly different meaning. So if we look back, we're going to be looking today at using the suffixes ing, ed, and est. Now if you add the suffix ing to the end of a verb, it shows something that is happening right now. So for example, the root word kick, if you add the suffix ing, you get kicking. I am kicking the ball. If you add the suffix ed onto the end of a verb, it shows that something has already happened. So for example, if you take the root word kick and add ed, you get kicked, showing that you have kicked the ball. If you have the suffix er, if you add that to the end of an adjective, it compares two things. So for an example, if you have the root word small and you add er, you would have smaller. And you could say, the girl was smaller than the boy. And if you have the suffix est on the end of a word, it can also compare three or more things. So for example, if you had the root word cold and you added the suffix, you would have coldest. And you could say Thursday was the coldest day of the week. Now I've just really quickly gone through these four suffixes. If you look on the school website under Friday, you'll see that there is a PowerPoint. And there are these slides on that PowerPoint, but there are also some examples for you to have a go with. So I'd like you to pause the video and have a look on there for me, please. Once you've done that, you'll also find that there are two sheets for you. Both of those again are on the website. You can print them out if you want to, or you can just look at them on the screen and say what you think. So for this first sheet, can you write a sentence using adjectives with and est? So for an example, small, smaller, smallest. Can you write some sentences? And the second sheet is adding the suffixes er, ed, and ing. So you've got some sentences with some missing words, and then down the side of the castle you have the missing words. And you need to try and decide which word goes in which space. Hope you all have a lovely weekend, and it is Mr. Anderson who will be going through your English lessons next week with you.